Hello, my name is James Dean, and my presentation for the 2021 NGH convention is called Treasures of the Hypnosis Lineages. And I want to give you the flavor of the talk to savor if it's right for you. And if you're ready, you can just sleep deeply now. And imagine a nice talk with good information and with a feeling, a texture, and you'll enjoy it. And you might wonder, will I take the time to spice it up with stories? And what can be done for cancer? And I asked one Lama how to take those miracle stories, literally or metaphorically. And he said, I think literally. Reality itself, mind, and relax, and a prayer for altruistic motivation. And Kay Thompson once said, you can become so entranced with really knowing all there is that you need to know about how to make the memory of that experience change into something that it wasn't when it first began, only because you hadn't thought about it as being what you didn't think it was. I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.